thank you for stopping by. And today we're gonna show you what a bad head gasket, crack engine head looks like today. So if you guys new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And guys, this is if you have a crack head gasket and or crack head or bad engine head gasket, or your engine is overheating, this is what to look for, guys. So let me do. We put some coolant inside. Now guys, I'm gonna crank the engine, so we'll keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on that, alright guys? So I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna crack the engine, and this is what a bad head gasket look like, a bad crack engine head. Right, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright guys, now you see for yourself. That is what a bad head gasket looks like, guys. A crack engine head. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. This is just a short one to show you if your radiator spraying the water out like that with when you crank the engine, that's compression coming through the cylinder, so you have a bad head gasket. Well guys, or your engine head block is cracked. So thank you for stopping, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And then if this could help anyone, send it for them. Like, share, comment, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Catch you on the next one. Alright guys, welcome to For Life Auto. This is a 2011 Mazda CX-9, and today we're going to be showing you how to take off the number plate light, guys. And this is the bulb we're going to be taking out to put in. If you want to pause the video, and this is the bulb for the tail light. Pretty standard bulb. And guys, this I take off one already, so I'll be showing you with this one demonstrating. So you have two little tabs inside here, guys, and you got to pry this. Because this, guys, if you don't know what you're doing, you could break this light and you probably need it. So you put it inside the hole and then you pry it to the light. That will bring the piece up there a little bit open. It will bend a little plastic. So guys, this is better. You prise it like this and put this in the back. And while you pry it to the left, if you're doing it on the right side, you pry it to the left. And if you're doing the left side, you pry it to the right. So while you pry to the left, you put this behind here. And you put a little pressure and you pop it forward. So that will take it out, guys, because it's kind of complicated. So I'm going to do it right now. Put it to the back, pry it to the left, and snap it out, just like that. And the other side is out already, guys, so you could just do the same thing here and pop it to the forward. Or you could just shake it out and it comes right out just like that, guys. And we're going to take out the bulb. Take your time, use a little screwdriver, but make sure don't use the screwdriver while the light is on, so the bulb popped out, because that's what it's doing. It's supposed to be coming out. So oops. So guys, and make sure test your bulb first, guys. These bulbs are very durable. So we're gonna put it in like this, flat, like that, and yeah, guys, that's how it goes in. So guys, if you're new to my channel, guys, please consider subscribing. This is how you do it, and then you just clip on back the light. You could clean them while you're at it, in and out, and then you clip it back on, reverse procedure. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to For Life Auto. I will catch you on the next one, guys. I'm out.